You are going to love the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Come take a test drive today.